Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy and paste from PDF to Excel using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and click this edit option and now select your text you want to copy. Now select and click right button. Here you will find this copy option and open your Excel file. And select here. Now press Ctrl B from your keyboard. This text already pasted here. Now I'll copy now this image. Click on this image and click right button. Here you will find this copy option and go Excel file and select here and now click Ctrl V. Yeah, this also you can this image in here. Yeah, this is. And finally click this file option, save or save as your Excel file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.